Magic 89.9.
The ride home just got better with JJ and Isbel, the home stretch.
Yep, that's right. We're today's Best Music Magic 89.9. It is the home stretch.
Home stretch?
Home stretch.
Home stretch.
Nasa-stress na ako because I can't believe it's only Tuesday, but it feels like a lot of things have happened. It was rainy kanina, no?
It was. As soon as I got here. Oh no, on the way here, it was already raining. I was in the Green Hills Strip.
But despite the rain, we must persevere. Sobrang deep. But we have a guest this 6:30 in the evening, hailing from the Philippines.
We'll find out more about her in just a little bit.
Yeah, we have El Rona. Hey, what's up? Good evening.
Good afternoon. Ay,
Yun,
good
at
evening.
nasa kuweba po tayo.
Sorry.
Okay
Echo.
Echo. Sorry. But how are you feeling so far? Let's do a little bit of a vibe check. On a scale of 1 to 10, anong mood mo?
Today, 9.
Ooh, okay.
Bakit 9 lang?
Tuesday eh.
Oh, yeah.
Pagka Wednesday ba 10 na or...
Actually,
Mga
8.
Thursday, Friday. Yeah.
Oo. Actually, yun
That's true.
kada Monday, diba, parang hirap na hirap tayo. Tapos Tuesday lagi ang worst day of the week.
Is it though?
Yeah, kasi pagdating ng Wednesday, dun na medyo kino-convince mo na sarili mo na
Parang, totoo na to.
Midway through na, unti na lang. Thursday, Friday, roller coaster na yan. Ganun. Para, okay. Ayun, I said you were healing from the Philippines, pero where are you from exactly?
Quezon City.
Hey,
Oh! Where in Quezon City? But Quezon City is a huge place. Did you grow up talaga in the city ka na talaga
Yes,
lumaki?
yes. Quezon
Oh.
Saka sa QC.
Commonwealth. Ayan.
Oh.
Sa gitna. Aling
Sa
lane.
gitna ng avenue na yun.
Aling
Doon
lane.
siya linuwal, actually.
Okay, let's talk about your music. But before that, people might be thinking, people aka kami ni Isbel nung simula, El Rona, is this your real
Yeah.
name or a stage name or where is it inspired from?
Yan. So, El Rona, name ko po talaga siya.
Wow!
Shout out to my mom and my dad. Wow.
For naming me this. Such a cool name.
Yes. Pero yung L ko po kasi galing yun sa lola ko, Eledora. Buti hindi yung Dora yung
oo,
kinuha.
okay, Eledor.
Eldora.
Eledora Rona. So yun, yung L lang yung kinuha. And then yung Rona is yung nagbigay ng visa sa tatay ko para
Oh, sorry,
Maisha.
alin nagbigay ng visa?
visa. Yung parang nag-approve sa immigration.
So,
ba yun,
immigration
ganyan.
officer or hindi naman?
Yung nag-stamp.
Di ko sure kung yung nag-stamp
Pero
yan.
ganun siya ka-influential para yung
Yeah,
pangalan.
oo. Kasi nung panahon, ang hirap maka-fly.
Over sa panahon.
Grabe man.
Para sobrang tagal. Pero gets, no? And then, was it like your dad's dream ba?
To where? To go to where?
To Japan.
Gets ko tatay niya.
Papangalan mo rin sa first
Dapat pala
born.
kinuha ko, yung first immigration officer na
Ate, ano po
nag-approve
name
sa akin.
niyo?
Sobrang bait niya. Dapat pala kinuha ko pangalan niya. Pero yun pala, okay.
That's such a random thing though, I must say.
Rona, okay. No, that is actually something that I would consider in the future. Okay, let's talk about your music. You've been releasing music for
Since last year,
Since last
2025.
year, yeah.
last year, no? And one of your first songs was called Kape Muna. No? Very straight to the point, and I
Yeah,
would say.
but before we talk about the music, do you actually drink coffee?
Yes.
Bakit? May mga gumagawa ng kanta, di uminom ng kape.
Yeah.
Diba? But what's your coffee order? What type of coffee drinker are you?
Ayan, dami na nagtanong sa akin ng tanong na to. Pero, it depends sa oras. If it's still morning, like 6 a.m. to 8 a.m. or 9 a.m., then straight black talaga.
Okay. Para gising ka agad.
Para gising ka. Pero pag hapon na, dapat may konting coffee, milk, ganon. Para makakatulog ka pa sa gabi. Ganon.
Are you a sipper or a chugger? Because JJ is a chugger. He can do a 16 ounce in 5 minutes.
Less than.
Yeah, actually.
Slow lang. So,
Slow lang.
Steady lang, steady lang.
Oo. Very in tune with the way the song is about, actually. It's about taking your time, right?
Yes.
With everything in a fast-paced world. So walk us through how you got to the message of the song and how the song was created for you.
Ayan. So, ikikwento ko yung history. Nung college pa po ako, dun ko lang siya naisulat. Because BA Communication student ako, and then it's just so na project siya na kailangan nyo mag-shoot ng music video. And naisip namin, okay, gawa na lang din
Saan
ng...
school yan? Sana all ganun yung project.
Shoutout New Era University. Ayan.
New Era.
Yan.
Sa ano ka, Tandang Sora
Daan.
doon? Okay.
So,
Malapit kila Sedi.
Doon lang din malapit.
Okay.
Tapos yun, dahil project siya, so no choice, kailangan mo makapasa. Gawa ka ng kanta. Wala na kaming maisip na
Sobrang
gagawin.
ginalingan mo naman sa project mo.
At kinarir niya.
Yun. Tapos yun, nagawa siya kasi thesis days, wala na kaming maisip. Parang lahat na naghahabol. Tapos mag-shoot ka pa ng music video. Kailangan pa pala gumawa ng kanta para maka-shoot ka ng music video. So, sabi ko, ano na ba itong nangyayari sa atin? Tapos, yun, sobrang aligaga. Muna kami, sige, break tayo 15 minutes. Try lang natin. Ayan, nagkape kami. Sabi ko, ito na lang, gawin na natin ng kanta. Kape muna. And then yun, after 7 years,
Nag-align lahat.
naging kanta siya after 7 years. Na-release din siya sa Spotify. Yun, nag-iisa lang yung kanta ko na yun. And it just so happened, Flamingo Music helped me produce that song.
Wow.
Kasi nagustuhan nila.
Oo.
Sabi ko, hala talaga, totoo ba? Eh di, tuloy-tuloy na natin to. So,
Eh di sana
yan.
mas mataas pala yung grade ko dito kung alam kong kakaririn ko siya balang araw.
Yun.
So yan, 7 years later, you got it released and now you also have your debut, no? It's a debut song and more playful. It's called, ang galing no, playful, pero yung title, Ang Lala.
Yes.
And it's basically talking about one-sided relationships, ignoring red flags. Kumbaga lahat ng kalalaan na iisip mo andito na. And I wanted to ask, no, a lot of people would say na, alam na namin yan eh, nasa kwento yan ng mga tao sa TikTok. Pero ikaw personally, were these experiences na pagdaanan mo and natutunan mo na?
Yeah. Kailangan mo talagang matutunan na on your own eh. Kasi kahit anong sabi ng ibang tao, hindi mo talaga ma-experience firsthand yung mga bagay-bagay. Meron talagang wall na mabibuild if you are medyo tanga sa pag-ibig.
Oo.
Yung ganong
It's one of those things.
season.
Like, you really have to learn it. Kasi kahit anong sabihin sa'yo ng kaibigan mo, kahit sabihin niya, wag, red flag yan. Hindi, gusto kong malaman
there's a term for it, diba? Canon event siya.
Oo.
Like, mangyayari siya sa lahat. Alam mo yung parang there are signs na dahil napagdaanan mo na nakita mo ginagawa ng kaibigan mo. Tapos parang hindi mo mapigilan kasi learning experience yan for them eh. Hindi naman sa sinasabi kong hayaan mo yung kaibigan mo.
When
pero,
you're in the moment, you don't see all the red flags. For you, it's like, oh no, he's not like other guys.
Yeah.
Iba siya. Sa akin lang siya ganito. Sa'yo lang siya. Sa'yo lang siya ganyan. Sa'yo lang siya mapanakit. Diba? But how did it come to this theme? Kasi from kape muna, kalma lang, biglang ang lala.
Iyon.
Parang sobrang 180 of a genre, of a theme siya.
Ayun. Yung motivation ko muna, start tayo sa motivation, is, di ba, na-release na yung kape muna. Then, binigyan ako ng gig, like, in 3 weeks time, magkakaroon ako ng gig, pero full band, yung parang ganun. So, medyo, okay, kailangan ko ng kanta na may pang full band. Yung kape muna is medyo
acoustic ano siya?
mellow. So, sabi ko, okay, gagawa kong kanta. And nanonood ako ng news. Sabi ko, ano ba nang mangyayari? Ang lala. Tapos yun lang yung nasabi ko. And then, sabi ko, oh nga, gusto ko yung word na ang lala. La, 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 ang lala. Yun. So, yun yung sa isip ko, okay, gagawin ko to ng kanta para in 3 weeks time may ipa-perform ako na aside dun sa original ko na song. Para di naman nakakahiya na isa pa lang yung song ko.
So you
yun
work
siya.
well under pressure,
Oo
no?
nga eh.
Kailangan.
Yung song niya, parang kalma lang. Pero pagdating sa kanya, hindi ako makapagkalma.
Saka laging parang laging thesis yung ginagawa niya. Laging homework sa dulo na parang, oh shucks, kailangan ko ng kanta. Okay, sige. Ito gagawa ako. And it always comes from a word na you were just interested in and something that you hear every day.
Oh,
So,
parang
ang dami
i-play around
makakarelate.
that na lang.
Yeah.
Oo. And then yun, sabi ko, okay, magre-relate ako ng mga past experiences ko na hindi maganda. Na feeling ko makaka-relate yung mga tao kasi maganda din to, may message din. And ano na lang to, para awareness na rin sa mga hindi pa nababasagan ng helmet. Yung mga ganun. Yun yung message nun.
I have one question before I let you perform. You really write your songs. Usually, among them, ay spur of the moment. Pag may naisip ka, parang, uy, ang ganda nito. I want to say, in an age of like full of AI, writing, ganyan na lahat ng mga tao, puro chat GPT na lang na, uy, gawin mo nga to, chat GPT. You're sticking true to your element, which is authenticity. How do you promote that through your music?
Authenticity. I mean, syempre, yung AI naman, hindi naman sila nakaka-experience ng mga na-experience mo.
Oo.
So they're just a tool. Siguro, we should limit lang din kung ano yung ipoproduce ni AI because at the end of the day, it's your song, it's your experience. So yun siya.
Oo nga.
Kailangan may boundaries kang isa-set. 'Cause
True.
lahat naman.
Si AI hindi naman nagmahal ng best friend for 7 years tas naglaon yun. Ibang movie na yun. Si
Ikaw
Carson.
din, 7 years. Charot.
Ay, ikaw din mamaya yan.
Mamaya ka.
Kapilang dala
7
niya, pero
years.
mamaya, iba na yan.
Baka iba yung 7 years mo Pero are you good? You wanna hear it?
I'm good. I'm very excited to hear the songs.
Elrona will be performing 2 songs for tonight. It's her 2 songs, Kape Muna and Ang Lala. And she's going to do it live here on air here on Today's Best Music. We are Magic 89.9.
Let's go. Kamusta ka, kaibigan? Nakatulala ka na naman. Malayo ang iyong isipan, di alam anong pupuntahan. Huminga ka ng malalim, idaan mo lang yan sa panalangin. Kape muna, ha, ha. Huwag kang magalala, ako nang taya. Kape muna, ha, ha. Limutin ang problema, diwahigala. Patong-patong bang mga gawain, inabot ka na nga ng dilim. Di alam kung anong uunahin, nakatanaw na lang sa mga bituin. Huminga ka ng malalim, idaan mo lang yan sa panalangin. Kape muna, ha, ha. Huwag kang magalala, ako nang taya. Kape muna, ha, ha. Limutin ang problema, diwahigala. Ngayon nga ay mahirap iyong pagtiyagaan, mararating mo yan. Ano man ang pangarap, mararating mo yan, basta't pagsumikapan. Kape muna, ha, ha. Huwag kang magalala, ako nang taya. Kape muna, ha, ha. Limutin ang problema, diwahigala. Kape muna, ha, ha. Huwag kang magalala, ako nang taya. Kape muna, ha, ha. Limutin ang problema, diwahigala. Kape muna, kape muna. Kape muna. And so that's Kape muna. Yeah. And we'll be performing next Ang Lala. Ready na ba kayo? Let's go. sa biyahe mo'y magamit. Buong uwian kang hinihintay, iba ang iyong isinakay. Ang lala-lala, lala-lala, ang lala pala, ang lala-lala, lala-lala, ang lala pala, Ako'y kinita para mag-sorry. Sabi mo yun ay emergency. At may nag-chat, papako'y nagulat. May tinatago ka ba? Ito ba ay red flag? Ako ba'y nabuhulag? Ang lala-lala, lala-lala, ang lala pala, ang lala-lala, lala-lala, ang lala pala, Ang lala mo pala, buti nakawala. Buti na tauhan, mga katangahan, ngayon ay tinatawanan na lang. Ang lala-lala, lala-lala, ang lala pala, ang lala-lala, lala-lala, ang lala pala, ang lala-lala, lala-lala, ang lala pala, ang la-la-la-la-la, ang lala pala, ang masakit. Ako palang kabit. And that's a lala. Thank you.
Grabe yung twist sa
Ang
dulo.
lala nga
Sabi
eh.
ko, I was like,
That
yeah.
was probably the biggest twist in the song since Carly Rae Jepsen's Call Me Maybe na bading pala yung guy. Do you
Oh my gosh,
remember that?
naalala ko yung music video no? That's a trip. Oh my gosh. Okay. One
Tingnan mo
last
pa ng helmet. Bakit? Sana
One-
bagok na lang.
one last question before we have you promote. As a new artist in an age where rising talaga ang OPM, how do you find your place in it, and as well as, you know, yung message mo for those who are with you in this journey of yours?
Very thankful ako sa mga tao talaga na naniwala. Kasi actually, chika ko lang na
Sige,
Go, go, go.
chika ko lang na nung bata ako, dancer ako. Dancer ako. So, feeling ko talaga Salvador ang atake ko paglaki. And then, sabi ko, tumatanda, parang tumitigas yung katawan ko.
Humina yung tuhod ko.
Parang may rayuma yata ako at 15.
Tapos yung mga grade 6 friends ko, parang parang nag-Tom's World kami, tapos may karaoke. And then, sabi na, "Hoy, may boses ka." Sabi ko, "Talaga ba?" Tapos yun, dahil nga naniwala sila na may boses ako, edi in-embrace ko na talagang may boses ako. Edi yun na, nagtuloy-tuloy naman siya.
Imagine mo kung ginuguyo ka lang ng mga kaibigan mo.
Pero hindi, they were right and they were right. And it's so nice to have friends who are like that, who are
Yes.
upfront with us and will support us
And
throughout the way.
I genuinely miss this kind of sound because I've heard this before and I can't pinpoint as to where I've heard the sound of OPM before, but it's the fun type of music even though it has a message that hurts. You know what I mean? I'll let you know. If I remember it, I'll let you hear the song. But last question before we let you guys promote. You have 2 songs now released last year and this year. Is there an EP in the making?
Yes, meron. Pinifigure out ko pa kasi adulthood, we have 9 to 5, we have
Very
music,
true.
we have hobbies. So yun. And then kailangan pa kompleto yung tulog. So
Hindi makailangan
Yeah,
yun kung gumagawa ng wala na.
Tapos yun, may mga niluluto kami, maraming niluluto pa. Pero papart ko ng weekends.
Okay, we're very excited to hear and to see what you have in store for us in the
Yes.
future. But right now, invite the listeners where they can watch you live, listen to your music, and where they can find you on social media.
Ay guys, ayan. If nagustuhan niyo yung mga kanta ko, you can stream it sa Spotify, sa Apple Music, all music platform. Yan, pwede niyo siyang i-stream. And meron din ako IG. Lahat na nung pwede niyong pag-followan, nandun ako. Just type El Rona Music. EL space Rona space music. Ayan. So, nandyan ako. Thank you so much po. Ayan.
And you want to say hello to anybody?
Yes, thank you for Flamingo Music and Curve Entertainment and lalo na sa gumawa ng Tooth Gems ko, Ellie and Santof, Guhit Tinta. Ayan. And then, pwede na mag-vlog.
Yeah.
Ayan. So, meron kaming upcoming gig August 7 sa Match Point. Yan. And then, August 8 nasa The Corner House kami, San Juan. 4 p.m. to 7 p.m. kami doon. So, yan. Mahaba-habang chikahan at kantahan.
All
Ayan.
right. Thank you so much,
Thank you.
El Rona. Once again, you can find her online and stream her songs, Ang Lala, as well as Kape Muna on all digital streaming platforms. More music and more news coming your way in just a bit. But right now, a song from the Magic Pop 10 recap. We have June Sisa, Second Chance. You're listening to The Homestretch on today's best music for Magic 89.9.
Magic 89.9.